is Teacher Darji, and I would like to share to you the learning activity sheet in Mathematics 7, Quarter 3, Week 1, Lesson 3. Angles. I have here figures which are considered angles, and another set of figures which are not angles. So what is the difference of the two sets? So if you notice, the first set is a union of two non-collinear rays with a common endpoint called vertex. While the other set of figures, two rays but not union, you don't have common endpoint, two segments, a pair of segment and rays, and this one is both segments, no common endpoint. Again, angle is a union of two non-collinear rays with common endpoint called vertex. Now let's proceed more on angle. If no confusion will arise, an angle can be designated by its vertex. So we can call this angle as angle A. If more precision is required, three letters are used to identify an angle. The middle letter is the vertex, while the other two letters are points, one from each side of the angle. For example, we can name this angle as angle BAC or angle CAB, or simply angle A. An angle divides the plane containing it into two regions, the interior and the exterior of the angle. Now let us proceed in measuring and constructing angles. An instrument used to measure an angle, and that is called protractor. The unit of measure we use is the degree, which is denoted by this symbol. An angle measures are between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. The measure of angle A is denoted by a lowercase letter m, or simply angle A. The three different types of angles are acute, right, and obtuse. An acute angle measures more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees, while an obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. If two lines or segments intersect so they form a right angle, then they are perpendicular. In fact, two perpendicular lines meet to form four right angles. The measure of an angle is the amount of rotation. So if the direction of the rotation is considered, negative angles might arise. This also generates additional types of angles: the zero, straight, reflex, and paragon angles. Zero angle measures exactly 0 degrees. A straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees. A reflex angle measures more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees, and a paragon angle measures exactly 360 degrees. Let's try learning task number 1, measuring an angle. This time you are not going to use the protractor, since the figure has coordinates. So you're going to determine the measure of each angle. Let's try angle EHD. Angle EHD. So this angle, okay, has a vertex H and 2 points on both sides. We have E and D. So since the measure is its opening, so we can simply subtract the two coordinates. So 140 minus 40, then the answer is 120. another. Let's say angle GHC. Angle GHC or angle CHG. So we simply subtract 180 degrees minus 60, then the answer is 120 degrees. Let's proceed to learning task number 2, estimating angle measures. In the drawings below, some of the indicated measures of angles are correct and some are obviously wrong. Using estimation, you're going to state which measures are correct and which are wrong. The measures are given in degrees, so you are not expected to measure the angles. You're just going to estimate. So you can simply write correct if the measure is correct and incorrect if the measure is wrong. Next, for your performance task, math IRL, math and real life. You're going to roam around your house, inside your house. Take a picture of anything that represents a point, a line, and a plane. One picture each. And then, I want you to write a one-sentence caption in each picture. So how to do this? So you're going to picture the object using your cell phone or from your parent's cell phone, and then you can click, you can edit it and then add text. Okay, so just one sentence caption. And then you're going to post this on my Mathematics 7 page. I will just send the link in the respective GC in each section. Kindly take note of the rubric for scoring. So relevance to the topic 50%, creativity 35%, overall impact 15%. And I want you to write also a reflection on the difficulty in performing this learning activity sheet. That will be for this week. Thank you.